they're coming back. BTS! It's happening. Oh my god!
We're finally here!
Guys.
안녕하세요.
It's D-Day. It's the day of the BTS comeback live, and I'm literally getting ready. I have 2 minutes to get ready. I woke up 2 minutes earlier. If you watched my last vlog, you know. I get a call, ठीक है, hotel से, Miss Sharma, your mother is calling from India. I am confused if I should wear this or this pink shirt. I want it to be a little flowy because it's a dance class, and ye tights.
Watch this beat going hooligan. Now we acting.
I have made it to the lobby. I was not late. And do you see all this chatter? Ye sab, everyone is going to the same dance class. मेरे को पता है the dance class is for fun, but I want to be good. I don't want people to think कि India से गंदे dance कर रहे हैं.
Everyone, yeah? Okay, come.
बहुत ठंड है. There is that 7-Eleven that I visited on the first day. हम बस चल रहे थे and एक random newspaper vendor ने ये एक पकड़ा लिया and I'm not complaining.
We're gonna go 4th floor, everyone.
Welcome. Okay, we got this stuff on these benches. Water, purple towels. We gotta find our spot before we get started on our BTS dance class.
Woo!
It's ready to be dynamite. Hello.
You guys remember on YouTube वो जो I think 1 million something dance studio था, उसमें जितने cool dances होते थे, एकदम वही माहौल है. You just see it for yourself. The song was dynamite. हिंदी डांस थोड़ा बहुत तो मेरे को आता ही है.
Is everyone here? We're gonna start without you guys. All right, guys.
I think
That's all. That's finished.
All right, 4. We got 4. Here we go. 5. We got 5.
Angela, you're my bias.
Here we go. Oh, hey, freestyle. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Sorority girls. Oh my god, sorority.
They cut it short. Showcase ही नहीं हुआ. I literally saw my whole YouTube Shorts feed.
Oh my god, same.
I saw my entire YouTube Shorts feed, and it's like so unreal कि ये भी same चीजें कर रहे हैं अभी in the same part of the world. अगर like solo performances हो रही होती, I would have been the first one to perform. Like I literally said that I'll go first. But then he was like, okay, where's your group? And then Amulya was like, नहीं. I was like, कोई बात नहीं. And then अगर like वो सबको कराते तो time भी बहुत ज़्यादा लग जाता.
Also, इतने अच्छे डांसर है नहीं. Case in point, me.
Yeah. अरे नहीं. Just imagine if J-Hope would have come.
वो पागल हो जाता.
वो सर पकड़ लेता.
He would have been like, what have I walked into?
He would have been like, भाई यहीं एयरपोर्ट लगा मैंने वापस भेजो वापस.
वीजा कैंसिल. बोलो पेंसिल तेरा वीजा कैंसिल.
अब मेरे को भूख लग रही है. Did you have anything for breakfast?
ओह यार, मतलब डांस करने के लिए तो कार्ब्स की बहुत जरूरत होती है, तो मैंने अच्छे से खाया है. पर अब हम जा रहे हैं एक बेकरी.
ओह राइट. हाँ मैं तो भूल ही गई थी. मेरे को लगा हम लोग होटल वॉक कर रहे हैं. वॉक करते हैं.
नहीं.
Oh yes, we are walking to a bakery. यहाँ पे famous bread है कोई. So that is where everyone is walking. Look, and आगे 7-Eleven ने भी लिख रखा है भाई, Welcome BTS Army. I forgot to put blush and anything on my lips. I just put concealer और मैं इतनी pale लग रही थी. And I've just lost something here.
No, I just came here. How do we order?
Yeah, you guys body to body चल रहा है.
You want to check out the food?
I think let's do it a bit. अभी सब बैठे हैं, समझ नहीं आ रहा. This place is famous for Korean bread and it's called Agnu. And पूरा खाली था. I think Netflix ने पूरा ही रिजर्व कर रखा है because let's see क्या है पेट पूजा में. It's so weird because everyone is vlogging. मेरे को प्लीज लाइन में फिट कर लो. हिंदुस्तानी भाई. No. Who are you? No. Oh my god. मेरा दिमाग लो हो गया because I'm going to show you what I've just seen. The types of breads, the shapes, the sizes. It's insane. And this girl, there's this girl, okay? I think she's Korean. I have seen her in the lobby multiple times and she is flawless. Flawless is the word. When she walks, there's like background music playing with her. उसको देख के ऐसा लगता है.
I don't know why you want to wear.
Blazer, beige blazer. I got a red top, but ठंड के साथ red top और beige blazer. This is to pick up the bread. Look at that. This is what I'm talking about.
You still have a feeling inside.
Yeah, I think so. मेरी एक पे नजर पड़ चुकी है. Should I just try this? Yeah. I don't like it. Actually, I changed my decision. I'll take this actually. Oh my god. Girl.
This looks so good. I don't know what.
Duck? Why is this so good? I think all of us can eat. Ooh. This is a salt bread with a cream filling. Fresh bread. You know how I made that reel asking strangers to write a piece of advice in this notebook? I want to do a part 2 of it here, but I am so nervous, so intimidated to go around and ask people to write something. Guys, I did it. I took my notebook and everyone was so happy to write it, and like मेरे पास भी कोई आएगा to write something like this, I would be so excited. So it was just getting over that mental block, and now I have literally advices from the people of Taiwan, Amsterdam, Los Angeles, Kazakhstan, Australia. Just do the hard thing is my advice. Okay, I'm putting in the batteries in the army ball. जो batteries we bought last night वो बड़ी थी, and these are the right ones. So let's go, it's the comeback day. Guys, okay, तो मैं थोड़ा सा context देती हूँ. So the rules are very strict वहाँ पे. I can't carry this camera, no vlogging cameras around. पावर बैंक का भी मेरे को पूछना पड़ेगा. I have put my phone on charging, and so basically everything that I have to shoot I have to shoot on my phone, be it for the vlog or other things. So I will try to live in the moment as much as I can, because this is everything. The whole build up has led us to this moment, and I want to be in the moment, but I also want to be in the moment while doing my best to obviously take you guys around also. Yes, मैं जाके नहाती हूँ and I'm gonna get ready. Iconic. Let me take you through my outfit, by the way. I'm wearing this. It is very structured. You'll see when I wear it. These jeans, because we have to be comfortable, because बहुत walking करनी है. This cap, I'll see if I want to take this cap that I got yesterday. Same-ish color ka bag. Army bomb, of course.
You want me to shout it out. I need you like all I want is you.
Should I wear these? Yeah, अच्छा लग रहा है. At this point, you know, I don't try a lot of new things. So जब मैं कुछ भी थोड़ा सा भी अलग करती हूँ, it matters to me. And my top 3 songs from this album, let me tell you. First is Body to Body, no questions asked. That beat is, और उसमें जो Korean part है, I need the whole city to jump. Oh my god. Really, he is going to say, I need the whole city to jump today, and the whole city will jump on his one command. Hooligan. One More Night, Swim. Special mention to Please. I like the intro of Like Animals. So mean. Add FYA to that list. And you know what? I'll stop making a list at this point. And भाई, number 29 जब चल रहा था, मेरे को लगा मेरे गाने पॉज हो गए हैं. I'm ready. Twins. It's happening. Walking on this path for the last time before BTS comes back. Breathing this air for the last time. I mean this specific air. These are city checkpoints because of the crowd that's going to come out. Oh my god. My cap is out. I don't like it. But look, everything is purple. Do you see the lights? Her shop is, they're selling something on their name, or they're, you know, giving a free photo card and stuff. We have made it to the Four Seasons Hotel, and यहाँ पे we are getting tickets from that booth. We had to bring our passports and what else? एक PDF है, वो दिखानी है, and then we'll get our tickets. And उसके बाद lunch होगा. Thank you. Thank you. Guys, there was a glam bot here, okay, and I almost chickened out. जब मेरी बारी आई, I was like, no, I think I'm going to skip this, I'm leaving. But then Amulya motivated me to still do it. I don't think I'm going to show you how it was.
That was a cute one. I mean, you must. Woo! Go Mika! Slay! Good. I mean,
in real life क्यूट लग रहा होगा उस वीडियो से, बट जो रिजल्ट है उसका,
भाई वो तो मुझे भी देखना है. अब मैं मीका का फोन चोरी कर लूंगी.
बहुत भूख लग रही है. Okay, fried rice. You got the best of me. We have settled for fried rice. So we have, अभी 5 बज गए हैं, and we have 1.5 hours still left, क्योंकि हमें 6:30 वेन्यू जाना है, जहाँ पे it's going to happen.
Water is over.
I was strictly told to not drink water because it's not easy to go to the washroom there. But I still did this to myself. These are hand warmers, and that is so thoughtful. I would have taken 2, but I don't have space. Just in case they make eye contact with me. My lips still have color. It's 6:30 and we have come out and we are heading towards the stage. No. Everyone was showing their wristbands for that and ads with BTS here. 90 freaking minutes. This is where we will be standing. That is the stage. Look. I'm sad, literally. Just here, as you can see, is the barricade. There is one more person in front of me. I am just behind her, so I've secured the second row here. And if you will see, मेरे सामने the whole section is filling up. So I think time से पहुँच गए. 75 minutes to go, and I think my decision to sit was the right decision. Okay, I'm going to make predictions of वो कौन से old songs करने वाले हैं. Okay. Number 1, Mic Drop. Number 2, Idol. Number 3, Dope. Louder Than Bombs. Because we have literally bullied them for it. Either Just One Day or Boy in Love. One of these. Boy in Love, please. No, but I feel like debut song karna will be iconic. Microcosmos though, of course. That's the theme, I feel like. So let's see how many I get right. Half an hour to go. बहुत ठंडा है. I'm opening this hand warmers. Everyone is sitting at this point. नवंबर मिलेगा तो हम वेट कर रहे हैं. वर्षादा जी 14 minutes to go. मैं उठ गई हूँ नीचे से. Less than 10 minutes to go. कितनी देर बची है? 7 minutes to go. Look at the crowd. At this point, we are breathing the same air as them because they are somewhere here. Kim Namjoon, Kim Seokjin, Minyu, BTS, BTS, BTS. This is the only time you'll see me fangirling this hard, so bear with me, okay? 4 minutes, 4. What ठंडा यार. That's you guys. Do you see me?
안녕하세요.
I need somebody, I love your body beside me. Somebody like you, somebody like you, let go. Somebody like you. Watch this beat going hooligan. Man, this bass is stopping so. Crowded like a campus, beat dropping dances. Watch this beat going hooligan. We pop out, we acting up. We don't stop. Put your brand new, put your brand new.
이렇게 인사드립니다. 둘, 셋, 박! 자, 안녕하세요.
Thank you for waiting for us. Thank you.
We've prepared something special tonight. We'll do our best to give you everything we've got. Stay tuned.
Ooh. And seriously, look at this. Look at this, everyone. It's been a long journey, but now we're finally here.
뭔가 저 형도 노랗고 그치?
Like butter, like criminal undercover. Pop like trouble, breaking into your heart like that. Cool shade stunner, yeah. Owe it all to my mother.
Yeah, do you hear this sound? This is what happened to the rest of this clip. The song Butter and Mic Drop, the whole fan chant, everything. Both of these songs ke clip just got corrupted. This robotic tee is there in these clips and uske baad ekdam se theek ho gaya mera phone. But this is just what happened to both of these songs, and Mic Drop being the most special one because it was an OT7 mic drop after so long. The fan chant was gone, everything was gone, but then after those two songs, I don't know how and what happened, the clips got like it was just fine, the sound was fine, everything was fine, but the audio in these two songs just was lost. So you can just see me enjoying and singing along, but yeah.
최고다.
네, 진짜 생각보다 추워서 괜찮으세요? 네! 하는 모습을 눈으로 담을 수 있어가지고
Shall we?
Aliens, let's go!
Hey!
Put the down and 7 aliens. Put it through the behind the fingernails. Move on me, yeah, move on me. Take the gun to the head of the bird. I show you that shameless. Yeah, in a try to react. Other people say to tell me how you feel. Y'all don't know about them most how about that it's not a deal. No matter how. What's good? Roll do. Bring it. Biggest fight. Biggest fight. Biggest fight. Biggest fight.
그 중에는 저희의 이제 혹은 여러분들께서 기억해 주신다 하는 네.
समझ में नहीं आया पर सुन के अच्छा लगा. Swim.
Run away is to wake up and smile. I just wanna die. What about something? What something? I spent a lot of time watching you swim. I just wanna die. I just wanna die. Slash. Grip. Swim. Like the feeling on your skin. I could spend a lifetime watching you swim. I just wanna die.
As long as you're with us, we always do our best to bring you great music and performances. Thank you!
No matter what happens, promise to keep swimming together. This is just the beginning. We love you, Army!
Let's go!
Let's go! Shoes on, get up in the morning, couple minutes, let's rock and roll. Don't got me on my phone, I see and I get my big phone. So let's go. Yes, in the stars tonight.
이거는 솔직히 이거는 조금
아쉬워?
너무 이뻐.
You got me. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh, oh. You got me. 조심히 밤에 표정이 어떻게 다른
감사합니다, 아미. 와.
They are everything. They are just as fine. And they are real. They're real. I can confirm. Okay, that was the stage. And this is everyone exiting right now. I will talk about the concert obviously when I go back to the hotel. Obviously, I cannot for the love of God feel my lips or my nose. I have overused this heating pad. I just want to die. I just want to die. I don't know how I'm still breathing, honestly. And amidst all of this, the advice given by the team is, guys, if you get lost, please find your way back. Golden words, golden. This looks like a live show. Bye bye. Oh my god, this is a heater. Oh wow. I feel like I was reborn. Guys, I don't think I can describe the feeling that I felt when I saw them when they came on the stage and I saw them walking and standing on their marks. Feeling their energy, hearing their voices through the speakers, not my phone speakers, but actually like in front of me. It was insane, bhai. And I was feeling so bad for RM because he was not able to perform, but it was still such a beautiful feeling to see them together. They're actually like that playful, that handsome. I'm not ready for the concert. They played like a normal. How did I overlook normal from their new album? My bad. It was a whole another vibe when they performed it live and I heard it. It was, I think I will put it in my top 4. But anyways, I was saying I am not ready for the concert because this was a 1-hour show. This did not even have like production and stuff that much. This was a 1-hour show. I feel so grateful to be here for this opportunity to see them live. I know so many of you from India want to be there, and I'm sure this way or that way, if you just believe in it enough, there is no chance something you want will not happen. And they performed Mic Drop. I was right about that. I was right about Microcosmos. I was wrong about Dope and Boy in Love and stuff. So what? And I did my best to, be in the moment, enjoy it and also capture it for you guys. बीच में 2-3 ऐसे क्लिप है जिनमें आवाज़ एकदम ऐसी वाली रोबोटिक सी आवाज़ आ गई है एंड मेरा हाथ इतनी देर ऊपर था. आई जेन्युइनली फील लाइक मैं सबको ये बोल रही थी कि देयर इज एक्स्ट्रा मसल इन दिस आर्म ऑफ माइन आफ्टर दिस इवनिंग बिकॉज इतना पेन हो रहा था मेरे को. इट वॉज अनरियल. एंड मेरे को एक्चुअली काम भी करना है बहुत सारा, लाइक कुछ शूट करना है और कल के लिए व्लॉग एडिट करना है. गाइज इफ मैं कल व्लॉग नहीं डाल पाई संडे को बिकॉज आज ऑलरेडी सैटरडे एंड टुमारो द होल डे आई एम ट्रैवलिंग, apologies. Okay then. Bye room. Bye. I love you soul. I have made it to the car that will take us to the airport. When I say us, I mean there is also one more creator who's traveling back with me in the same flight. Mostly baki sab, I think apart from me there were 3-4 और creators from India and each one of them I have to say were so sweet and so helpful. वैसे मेरे से ज़्यादा बातें होती नहीं है, you guys know, but they were so sweet. They understood. They were like, we get you girl. I just want to say if the team from Netflix is watching this, thank you so much for the best first international brand trip experience ever. I think पहला ही trip Netflix के साथ है तो अब मेरे को कौन ही बुलाएगा. Hello.
इस पैलेस से ही निकल के आया था ना मूवी का.
हाँ मैंने तो साइड में देखा ही नहीं, यही था स्टेज.
हाँ वही.
Oh my God.
वही मैं कह रही हूँ कि कल कितना मस्त लग रहा था यार.
मैं तो बस सामने ही देख रही थी. So this was the stage and they came from here. They walked all the way.
So I arranged that.
Oh.
Long time ago. But it's a change. Can make the take a picture in the beautiful beach.
Oh, is it pretty?
Yeah, pretty and it is not famous at the time.
Oh, they were not famous then.
Yeah.
While during the second album, right?
Second album, You Never Walk Alone.
You Never Walk Alone.
Spring Day,
Yeah.
the Korean people like that.
Yeah.
I mean, even I'm an old man, the Spring Day is very sensitive and
Yeah.
and the butter is good. Butter.
Butter. Yeah, butter.
Yes, good,
Butter.
very.
Yeah. Oh, you like butter?
Yeah, I like butter
Nice.
and Spring Day.
Oh, nice. मेरी नेटफ्लिक्स की एनर्जी ड्रिंक निकाल गई. सुपर चूना.
물이나 생존하실 때 감염병 예방 수칙을 실천해 주시기 바랍니다. 또한 중점 검역관리 지역 방문 후 국내 입국 시 반드시 휴폰을 입력을 통해 건강 상태를 신고해 주시기 바랍니다. This is an announcement.
This is. I was feeling like I will faint. मैंने सुबह से कुछ खाया नहीं है, कुछ पिया नहीं था. This is the first thing I'm drinking. तो मैं कुछ भी खा नहीं पाई. I'm just hoping to eat in the flight. All I can think about right now is editing the vlogs. मुझसे wait नहीं हो रहा है because I'm so excited to see your reactions. Also, the biggest heartbreak of this trip. During Mic Drop, I filmed and उसका फाइल ही I don't know why corrupt हो गई है. सिर्फ Mic Drop हुई है. पूरी fan chant, you can't hear it. I got so frustrated because this was like our first OT7 Mic Drop performance after years. And उसके बाद की सारी क्लिप्स सही हैं. उसके पहले की सही, उसके बाद की सही है. बस Mic Drop गया. Bye soul. पंजाबी जा रहे हैं. Okay, bye. I love you guys.
Sure you love it.